Hi and welcome to Ballycotton in Liscannor, County Clare. Set on a stunning elevated site with magnificent views over the Atlantic down into Lahinch and Liscannor Bay is this nicely refurbished detached cottage set on a site of approximately 0.5 acres. The home has retained all its original charm and character, particularly with the porch out the front, which was a later extension, and you'll see, I'll show you a little photograph of the original cottage before any works took place here. But this was an extended sun porch which actually now acts as the formal dining, but you'll note the traditional stone that was placed to the front to ensure that the character was retained, along with all these nice dry stone walls wrapping right around that lawn area and the driveway, and which leads to the vast amount of outbuildings. These outbuildings offer huge potential, be it for additional accommodation or self-catering or whatever it may be, but it's the real traditional features of this. If you look at the flagstone slates above, and that's continued right along this building here that's adjoining the property. You have your side access which onto a laneway here, and that driveway, as I say, it wraps down around the front of the house, out onto the front lawn, and again out into the main entrance. So really fantastic elevated site, magnificent views both to the front and back. You have your rural views to the rear of the home, you have your open farmland here to the left, and of course your Atlantic view. And as I said, and I may have said it earlier, it's only on your formal inspection of the property will you really appreciate the location, which is literally 4 miles to Lahinch and 3.2 miles to Liscannor. So a nice convenient position, but offering the best in countryside living at the same time. So let's take a look inside this beautiful refurbished cottage. So as we enter in the main doorway, I'm stepping into the formal dining that I mentioned, which was the extension of the property, and all these windows here enjoy those views that you saw out the front. You have your flagstone flooring, really nice feature in this, and that continues right into the kitchen in here, which is open plan into the dining space, and then you're into the open plan living. So a really nice welcoming open plan living space, and a really nice flow to it as well. The kitchen has the usual space and plumbing for the electrical appliances. You have your open stairs here to the first floor bedroom, and we have a door here to the right hand side into bedroom as well, along with a glass panel door here to the left, or straight ahead of me I should say, into the utility, and just here left of the stairs is into the ground floor WC. But the main reception, you have your solid timber flooring, you have that exposed original fireplace. Look at the nice slab of stone. Incredible how they did it back in the day, but it's great to see the original feature retained here. You have your solid fuel stove. This, as you can see, the pipework to the back, that's connected to the heating system of the property. And you can see the depth of the traditional windows as well. Really nice, and exactly what you would expect in a completely refurbished cottage, which is a complete credit to the current owners. Into the first of your bedrooms, and again that flagstone stops just as you enter into the room, with that same floor that you saw in the main reception continued into this space. This is an enormous room, to be fair, with the window bench here. It is used as a twin room, but will be a fantastic double. But again, look at the retention of original, rather than leave the original fireplace, but we keep the opening there and make full use of the solid fuel heating the house if you are fortunate enough to have enough timber and so on to do so. Turf is a big burning thing, fuel for burning up here as well. And look at that view down into the Atlantic and out into the front gardens. Plenty of built-in units. And over here to the left hand side is a kind of a steps up into a loft room. So as I pop up these steps, you're into this really fab, great feel to this room, great natural light. You have that polished timber flooring, but really nice traditional room, exactly as you would expect in a house like this. I did mention that I'd show you the original cottage, so before I forget to do it again, we'll swing straight to that. And this was how the cottage looked 20 years ago. So it'll give you a fair idea as to the work that was done here by the current owner. Really, really nice to have, and I'm sure it's something that we'll try and make sure that the owner gives you a present of a copy of that photograph if you're the successful buyer. You can see the traditional stairs leading to the first floor. Very, very nicely done. Great craftsmanship. And of course, as I said, that door here is into the main bathroom, which you'll see very shortly, or into the ground floor bathroom. And out here is into a really great family utility. This is where we'll call it the dumping ground is. But it's so well done. Again, it's an extension to the main house. Plenty going on in here, so ignore the busyness, but you can see the great space that it is. Come in your side door, take off your hiking boots or your wetsuit or your whatever it is you've been doing, dump it here and pop into your nice, cozy and extensively refurbished cottage. You're continuously drawn to that solid fuel stove, but then through this door we're into the main bathroom. You can see it's a wet room style shower tray. You have your raised WC and indeed your raised wash hand basin, but nicely tiled ceiling to floor with the integrated lighting around the mirror unit as well. So popping back out of the bathroom and heading up the traditional stairs here into what is an office and we call it the master bed. So again, you can really appreciate the space. That's a fine double bed that's here, and you can see the distance that's between stairs and bed. You have plenty of space here to do whatever additional furnishings or whatever else you want to put in, or more built-in wardrobes. So give you an idea of the configuration. You pop up the stairs here, and then the door here to the left is into the home office. Plenty of built-in units. Nice room again. Double bed would fit in here very comfortably. And you have a Velux window, and that's of course off the master bedroom as well. So if you would like further information on this stunning home in Ballycotton, Liscannor, County Clare, please feel free to call us on 065 684 0200 or email us info@dngosullivanhurley.com. Thank you very much for watching.